Hello and welcome back to my YouTube video channel. This is a short 2.5 minute video that we shot the other day. We just wanted to see if the old DJI Phantom 3 still had any giddy up left in it. Watch the top of the screen, and as soon as you see the props show up, you'll know that we have gone into full forward pitch. Here we go. We're going at 35 miles an hour straight out over Lake Erie. And there was a time when I was afraid to do this, but the Phantom 3 has proven to be a very, very reliable UAV or drone, or whichever. It's hard to tell if we're going that fast, but watch now as we're heading back towards the shore. It's a little easier to tell. And pretty much as soon as I got over the land or past myself, I let off the pitch stick. But since I have my dynamic braking set very low, about 30%, I almost ran into those wires. So I climbed up a little bit to make my second run. So again, we're going to line ourselves up here. You can see the props in the top of the picture, which indicates we're going. It's just one of the little American bank swallows diving out of the way when he saw me coming. And we're making these turns at full forward pitch. You're going to see one of the arms come into view here as we swing it around, and that gives you an idea. This time we're out about 1/3 of a mile, and we're coming back again at 35 miles an hour, which is about 56 kilometers per hour, which is pretty fast. I've had this Phantom 3 advanced coming back downwind across the lake over 50 miles per hour, so it's nowhere near the record speed for it, but it still flies fine, and we're happy with the performance that it gives and the video that it shoots. Anyways, this is just a quick little video here. We're flying over the grassy area of this community park field, and we'll be landing it here shortly. Thanks for stopping by and giving it a look, this video a look. Leave a comment if you feel so inclined, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for stopping by.